Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain KMD registration process completely. So watch the video till the end. If you have any doubt while filling the form, you just comment in the comment section. Before going to that, just subscribe to my channel. It will be helpful for me and it will be helpful for you to get a more update and click the bell icon. It will be getting a quick update from my channel. So just to forward my channel to your friends. So it will be good for them also to get a new knowledge. So it will be helpful for me. So just want to click here and I just want to click next and just wait a minute guys, it's loading. Yeah, this is the job description they are mentioning here. The role responsibility, the consistency will be 60% from 10th to 12th, no active blocks, bachelor in CSIT, MCA candidate must apply, knowledge in program is must, so it should be C, C++, Java, Python, any language should be there. Location only Bangalore, Gurkam, you can change it to your own places, Andhra, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, it's your wish. Job will be analyzed and the electrical role. And this all the eligible criteria they mentioned here. And you just want to enter your mail ID, which is your personal mail ID, and your name and your date of birth, mobile number, marriage status. If you are married, you just give on to married. Otherwise, if you are a student, you just want to give single. So mail, Aadhaar number is must, college roll number, university roll number, which is given by your college, and the present address where you are current from. If the present address is your permanent address, you just want to give yes or no based on your thing. And the job description location Bangalore would come, and have you previously employed in Capgemini? No, you just want to give education type after filling your undergraduate. You just want to give postgraduate. If you are finished, you just want to give add postgraduate. So while filling this degree, which degree you just want to click here, BE, BTech or BSc, and the college if you search it here itself it may arrive, otherwise you can click here also. Major stream which department, all department can apply this role. Year of passing from 2014 also they mentioned here, so up to 2014 they can apply. Percentage of CGPA, if you give percentage you can wrote like this. If it depends upon you, total experience you can give freshers, organization if you have worked, no, just want to give NA, no problem. The star and all mandatory things, so you just want to fill it mandatory things. Education gap should be there, no. Have you any friend relative in Capgemini? No. Strength and the importance of areas which your areas is strength, just want to give there. Why you consider as a job for KMG, you just want to give the brief explanation about why you are joining and why you are interested in KPMG and aspiration extracurricular achievement. And this is the resume and your photo. By clicking this, just want to submit it. This all the things while filling this star mandatory. If you are feeling any unsaid, you just contact me in the comment section, I will help you. So just apply as much quickly. This is going to be ended at July 6th. So apply as much quickly guys. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.